I'm reaching out to you today to ask for your support on Giving Tuesday, November 29. We are raising funds this year for a significant need for our parish, the replacement of one of the HVAC units on our gym roof that heat and cool this activity center space right here. And this space is used in many ways for community service events, parishioner fellowship, fundraising events, sporting events, as well as faith formation and school gatherings. Please listen to Mr. Earl Martin, St. Mary's plant manager, as he adds a little more detailed information about this need.
Welcome to St. Mary's rooftop, a sea of rooftop units. They're all out here, all of them but one work. We have two large ones over here on the gym. The farthest one away is the one that's broke. It had a fire a couple of years back. We've replaced a lot of things on it, but we can only replace so many things so many times, and we're continually doing it at least twice a year when they come out for inspections. So that unit needs to be replaced. This is exactly like what you have at your house. You have a furnace, you have an air conditioner. These are all contained in one unit, and it sits on the roof, of course. So no different than what you have. We turn them on, turn them off with the seasons. This is important to have because it's half the gym does not get heat or air when this unit is down. That's why it's important to replace this. If the other unit goes, which is just as old as that one, if it goes, we don't have heat or air for the gym.
The cost of the new unit is $32,000, and my hope is to raise all the funds necessary this Giving Tuesday, the Tuesday after Thanksgiving, November 29, during this special 24-hour giving campaign. And I'm also happy to announce that to kickstart our fundraising, an anonymous donor from our parish has offered to match up to $15,000 in donations. So for the first $15,000 we receive, they promise to match. That basically doubles your gift. You can make a donation by scanning the QR code or going to the link in this email from 12:01 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. on Tuesday, November 29. Any amount you can give is greatly appreciated. Please be sure also to designate that your gift is for St. Mary's in Spring Lake, and 100% of the online donation that you designate for St. Mary's Spring Lake will go towards replacing the HVAC unit. If we exceed our goal, the additional funds will go into our parish general fund. And there are no added fees if you give online, because the Diocese of Grand Rapids has generously offered to cover the cost of all credit card fees that day. And we also will accept donations via cash or check. You can just drop them off at our parish or school office, or you can mail them in as well. May God bless you and your families this Thanksgiving and as we enter into the Advent season, and thank you for your generosity and your support of our parish and school. God bless you.